Hello friends, is your car taking too long to warm up or is the temperature gauge acting weird? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0599, your car's thermostat heater control circuit is high. Ignoring this can lead to engine overheating, poor fuel efficiency, and serious engine damage. In this video I'll explain what P0599 means, the symptoms, where to find the key components, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0599? The P0599 code stands for Thermostat Heater Control Circuit High. This means the powertrain control module has detected higher than expected voltage in the electronic thermostat circuit. Most modern vehicles use an electronically controlled thermostat, and a high voltage issue can cause it to overheat or get stuck closed. Common symptoms of P0599: check engine light is on, engine overheating due to the thermostat staying closed, fluctuating temperature gauge readings, poor heater performance inside the cabin, reduced fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0599, check these key components. Electronic thermostat housing location. Found near the engine block, usually attached to the upper radiator hose. Thermostat heater control circuit location. Built inside the thermostat housing, this circuit regulates engine temperature. Coolant temperature sensor location. Near the thermostat housing or on the engine block, it helps monitor engine temperature and informs the PCM. Wiring harness and connectors location. Runs between the thermostat heater, coolant temp sensor, and PCM. Check for short circuits, loose connections, or corroded wires. Tip: the thermostat is a common failure point, but always check the wiring first. Common causes of P0599: stuck closed electronic thermostat. A faulty thermostat will prevent coolant from flowing properly. Short circuit in the wiring. Excessive voltage can be caused by a short in the thermostat control circuit. Corroded or damaged electrical connectors. Loose or corroded connectors can send incorrect signals to the PCM. Faulty coolant temperature sensor. Incorrect readings can confuse the PCM and cause high voltage. PCM malfunction. If the PCM is sending too much voltage, it may need reprogramming or replacement. How to fix P0599. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0599 code and check for additional related faults. Step 2. Inspect the thermostat heater wiring. Look for any damaged, broken, or shorted wires. Step 3. Test the thermostat heater resistance. Use a multimeter to check resistance. If it's too high, replace the thermostat. Step 4. Check the coolant temperature sensor. A faulty sensor may cause incorrect readings. Step 5. Measure voltage at the thermostat heater connector. If it's too high, inspect the PCM wiring and fuses. Step 6. Clear the fault codes and test drive the vehicle to see if the issue is resolved. Final words. Ignoring P0599 can lead to overheating and serious engine damage. Fixing this issue ensures better fuel economy and longer engine life. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0454. Evaporative emission system pressure sensor intermittent. P0455. Evaporative emission system large leak. Detected. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.